user Johnny here, and today we'll be taking a look at the Nike Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro UNC patent leather. This women's exclusive was released on Valentine's Day on the Nike Sneakers app. The release, however, was delayed last second on Foot apps, so if you missed out, be sure to check in on the Foot apps as they are expected to release later this week. This sneaker is very similar to the gold toe Jordan 1 that was released last year. The shoe is primarily composed of patent leather. This gives the shoe a unique look as we are accustomed to seeing patent leather on the Jordan 11. Color blocking is simple as it is composed of white, baby blue, and navy. There isn't really much else to say because it's just your standard Nike Air Jordan 1. Shape is as expected, shoe does not come factory lace, Nike Air branding on the tongue and the insole, debossed wings logo, the familiar Nike swoosh, and the good old midsole with the standard Jordan 1 traction. While I do aesthetically like the change in material, I'm not sure if it is something I'd rock with. Patent leather in my opinion does not look good when it's creased. It looks best when it's kept in pristine condition, which is odd because if you ask anyone, most people will tell you that the Jordan 1 looks best when it's worn in. This may be one of those rare cases where you would want to rock this shoe on occasion and not keep it heavy in your rotation. This pretty much wraps up my thoughts on the sneaker. Let me know what you guys thought, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.